Hello guys. You are heartily welcome to this channel of Azansys Technology. In this video we will talk about agriculture drone. What is agriculture drone? How to use it? Agricultural drone is one of the modern tools of farming. It is an unmanned machine, or rather a flying robot. It is controlled remotely through software. Actually, it has a GPS-based navigation system and many sensors. It works with the help of battery. Many types of equipment like cameras, pesticide spraying machines, etc. are also installed in it. Multi-rotor drones, fixed-wing drones and single-rotor helicopter drones, etc. Agriculture drones are being used by farmers. What are the benefits of agriculture drones in farming? Drones inspect fields with greater accuracy than tractors or other means. It can also rapidly spray the right amount of pesticides and fertilizers in crops, due to which the purity of the land is also maintained. The drone sprays pesticides fertilizers in about 2.5 acres 1 hectare of land in hardly 15 to 20 minutes. If spraying is done normally, then 2 to 3 laborers are required for this, which costs more, whereas spraying with drones costs very little per acre. The use of drone technology for farming is increasing across the world, so that along with better yield and increased productivity, the income of farmers can also increase. Agriculture drone. For more information about agriculture drone, contact Azansys Technology today. The number has been provided to you in the caption below. Order the drone today and avail its benefits. Thank you.